Hi, this is Franny Knight with Urban Cool KC. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk, our Urban KC 1000 project and the Missouri Grant Program. You may have found this because you clicked on a link about getting $20,000 of grant money to help you buy a house. That's all based on percentages of what you qualify for, up to 20,000, and depending on how much the house you are going to buy. And so I am going to get right to it and show you how you get that very easily. It's the Missouri Grant Program. It's actually the official name is the MHDC, Missouri Housing Development Corporation. And so let me just bring that up here. There are targeted areas and non-targeted areas that we'll be talking about. And so in a targeted area, with getting the down payment assistance, the interest rates right now are 5.625. Without accepting the down payment assistance, you can get as low as 5.25. In targeted, non-targeted areas, the non-DPA is 5.8 and DPA is 8. It's the same interest rates. We'll explain that here a little bit more in detail. Here are the minimum requirements for this grant program. First-time home buyer. What is defined as a first-time home buyer is if you have not owned a house in the last 3 years. So you could have owned a house, but in the last 3 years, you have not owned a house, or you are a veteran. Your minimum credit score must be 640. We have some credit score repair resources for you that we can give you if you need to get set up with getting your credit repaired. Your debt income cannot be greater than 45%. Debt is things like car payments, student loans, anything that you are paying on a monthly basis that is considered a debt. The total gross annual household income must be within the household limits. The total gross annual household income is calculated using all sources of income for all borrowers and household members living or intending to live in the home, including but not limited to wages, bonuses, child support, alimony, commissions, and earnings from any second jobs, businesses, or investments. Okay, so here are your income limits. And I find these to be really pretty good income limits. If you are a single person or a two-person household in the non-targeted areas by geography, again, we'll tell you what those are here in a slide or two, you can make your income can be up to $111,400. If you could be a single parent with a child, that would be your income limit. If you are a 3+ household, so you have your spouse, and a child, your spouse, and a roommate that's contributing to the mortgage, you and two dependents, you and your spouse and a child. Anyway, you can make up to $128,000 to qualify for this program. If you are in a targeted area, those numbers go up to $133,000 and $155,000 if you do own a house. Okay. Then these are the homes that are eligible for this program. Single-family homes, owner-occupied duplexes that are 5+ years old, condos or townhouses, double-wide mobile homes, modular homes, manufactured homes, as long as they are attached to a permanent poured foundation, and the homes must be outside of a 100-year floodplain. The maximum purchase price that you can buy in a non-targeted area for a single-family home or one-family residence is $544,232. A two-family residence, a duplex, that really should say 2+ family residence, so you can buy up to a 4-plex, $696,000. In a targeted area, that goes up to $665 for one family, and the 2+ family residence goes up to $851. So we check this frequently, even though the effective day says 11/3/2025. I just checked it today. These are current numbers. So what this is telling you is the government loan here, this is an FHA loan, first time home buyer loan. at which you will put down 3.5%. You will be given, if you accept the down payment assistance part of this grant, you actually will get up to 4%, 3.5 towards your down payment and 0.5% to closing costs. If you accept the down payment assistance, your interest rate is they're saying it's 6.25. That's going to vary between 6.1 and 6.25, depending on what the current interest rate is of the day. If you say, I have my own down payment I'm going to bring to the table, then they give you a 5.875% interest rate. It goes down in non-targeted areas. As you can see here, you can get the interest rate lower in a non-targeted area. So target areas, been talking about what are those? They're based on census tract, where 70% of all households earn less than 80% of the statewide median income. So in Jackson County, these are the census tracts that do qualify for those areas. And we have a couple of different websites that we use to put in an address these are just off of our MLS realtor websites. And so the examples I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you a couple in targeted areas. They're virtual. We just do it by Zoom. So like tomorrow on the 11th, may not be tomorrow for you once you watch this video, but we will cover the grant program like I'm doing now. And we're going to talk about how to use it and do house hacking. On the 28th, we're going to do the grant program, and we're going to go in a little bit into how to work within the grant program, your first-time home buyer, with inspections and home warranties. And the 25th, we're going to look at the Kansas side and down payment assistance on the Kansas side. March 4th, we're going to do just a regular, every step of the way, first-time home buyer workshop. The 11th, we're going to do back to the grant program plus house hacking. And then on the 18th, the grant program plus credit score repair. Okay, here's some examples of houses to just give you an idea of what this looks like using the grant program. Okay, so this house is not in a targeted area, and it's at $550,000. Now, if you are a 1 to 2 person household, this is above the maximum house price that you can afford. So if you remember, the maximum house you can buy is $544,000. So you could offer on this house. It's possible you could offer $544,000 and the owners may take it, and then you would qualify at the right price for this. If you were doing the Missouri Grant Program with FHA, then your down payment would be 3.5%, and Missouri Grant MHDC would give you the $19,250. This is where we get close to the $20,000 of grant money. 30-year fixed interest rate at 5.8%. We estimate the taxes based on yearly taxes into a monthly payment. Tax insurance about $596. So if you come over here, your interest, principal and interest, plus your taxes and insurance, this house would be $3,710. So depending on your situation, that may be a little high for you. You may not want to buy a house this expensive, but this is just showing you how getting that almost 20,000 grant works. Now, this house at 5016 Lydia is in the Trustwood neighborhood, and the Trustwood neighborhood is in a targeted area. It's by census tract in a targeted area. Trustwood is between Martin Luther King Jr. and 55th Street and Troost and Paseo. And I call it the UMKC neighborhood because it's really very, very close to UMKC, walkable to UMKC. So this house, I haven't checked today to see if it was active just recently. And it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for $250,000. Actually, this is kind of a great roommate house. You could actually house hack this. So we're going to use this in our house hacking tomorrow as an example of how to house hack. So 250, 3.5%, the down payment would be 8,750. So you would get that given to you as a grant. 30-year fix, interest rate at 5.6% because it's in a targeted area, and taxes were lower in off this house. So taxes and insurance a month are $271. So your total amount to pay on this house a month would be $1,656. If you were to buy this house as a conventional loan at 20% down, your down payment would be $50,000. You also could still qualify for the MHDC, and the MHDC would give you 4% towards your down payment. Interest rate would be 6.1%. And because you have put more down, then your monthly payment would be less. This is just showing you what 10% down would be. Okay, here is another potential house just to show you. This is a brand new house in the Marlboro neighborhood at 1217 East 61st Street. It's listed at 425, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. If you were to get the Missouri grant program on this with the 3.5% down, that $14,875 would be paid by Missouri, the Missouri grant. Interest rate is 5.6 because it's in the targeted area. Taxes are very low right now, only because it's brand new. The taxes will go up in the year 2027. That's when it gets reappraised. So $160 a month. So your principal, interest plus tax and insurance comes to $2,514 for a brand new house. I think that's great. Here is a whole nother this is the lowest budgeted house that we found that is also in a targeted area. This is 137 North Van Brent Boulevard in the North Indian Mound neighborhood of the Northeast. It's listed, it's a HUD foreclosure home. It's listed at 163.4 at 3.5% down. Down payment's $5,719. The grant program would pay for that. Your interest rate, because it's in a targeted area, would be 5.25. Taxes and insurance a month, $177. And so with those added together, your estimated monthly payment would be $1,048. And I'm going to tell you this, you could also house hack. Just depends on your who all is living with you, whether house hacking is workable for you. Okay, that's the last of this particular workshop. Again, if you want to come February 11th at 6:00, we have signups that will get you the Zoom link. We'll go through this in a little bit more detail. We'll have a Q&A, and we're going to add, usually this takes about half an hour, and then we do another half hour if you want to stay on and do the house hacking as a bonus for tomorrow. So thank you, and we hope to see you at one of our Wednesday workshops. And if you are looking to start the home buying process, then the best way is to go to this link for my Calendly. This will get you a home buying consultation. You can also just scan this QR code. Also, Ryan Wooden is our lender. This is his website that you can go to, and he'll set up a time if you want to start talking to him about the loan process. Okay, thank you. Bye.